United. I'm here with Aiden, and we are building a quad slash dirt bike trail in my woods. Over there, I don't know if you can see that too well, but there's the start of the trail, and it comes all the way through here and up this. We are currently going to make a dirt bike hill climb slash four-wheeler hill climb, whatever we deem fit. And we're gonna carry it all the way over back that way. Sorry, the sun is in your eyes. We're gonna carry it over back that way, and that is where it will end and loop back, and then it'll come back in my yard where we can ride. Or it will start right here, and we'll come in through this and then up this way through here. We have to figure out how to fit some stuff, so we're gonna trim all these branches right here, and then we're gonna come down here. This will also function as an exit, because that hill, I know it doesn't look super steep on the GoPro, but it's actually a pretty steep hill, so we might make that into like a hill climb or something. Oh yeah, that would be really cool. Yeah, we could do that. It's a very steep here as well. So like, we'll have to figure this out in the long run.
Cameras tend not to really show how steep it actually is, but like I'm on the verge of like sliding. Like this is really steep.
It is really steep down there, and then there's like a hole over there. So yeah, look out for that in the future. We might do something there. But today in this video we are just going to be doing the trail, and we're going to get that all set up. So this is the trail from this direction. Like I said, we have to get rid of this rut here, and then you come over here. It's kind of technical. There's a lot of stumps you have to watch out for, like that one.
We've tried most of them though.
Yeah, and then this might be a hill climb coming up through here, or this might be a hill climb too. We don't really know. We'll probably try one of them or both of them. I don't know. But this will be the main trail. Oops, stumbled there. And you'll come out like back there. We got to turn around here because we haven't actually built over here. So see you at the time lapse. Hey guys, so we need this tree down because this tree is a hazard to anyone riding under it, because you could fall at any time. So we've got this. Okay, so we've got this little tree stump, and we're gonna toss it over until we get it over, and then we'll pull it down. And if we can't pull it down, we're gonna bring my quad in and we'll pull it down with that. So this is us trying to get this up there. So this is gonna be it's gonna be a long time.
I'm just pulling. I'm not doing
All right. This is so much harder than it looks. I thought you weren't throwing. This.
This is not my idea. Get off the rope. Stop cheating.
I'm not even. I just want it down, so. Alright, that wasn't as bad as my lassos, but.
Four-wheel drive, baby. Ooh, that's coming. It's a wheelie. Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
Yes!
Why would you?
Watch out for that one. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Yes!
We got it!
Yes, yo.
0% battery.
Yo, it's 0% battery on the GoPro. This thing just fell, holy crap. And the thing was wheeling the whole time. That is the scariest thing I've ever done. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this tree! Come here, look at this tree!
Oh no. Oh well, whatever. Yo. Alright, we're gonna sign off here. This has been Dirt United, and this was a good episode. Thank you if you made it this long. And I'm just excited. Hope you guys are too, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.